want to try something different today. Don't know if it's going to handle it though. The overhead on this microwave is 1200 watts operating. Got a Bluetti EB70S, so it's 800 watts continuous. It's supposed to have a surge somewhere around the 1200 mark or 14, something like that. We'll see. So, got the microwave loaded up. The power indicator is on. Frozen TV dinner of this sort. Let's see. Instructions would to be, as I would typically figure it, to be about 2.5 minutes. Oops, 4.5 minutes now. We'll see about that. Oops. There we go. And let's see what happens now. And that concludes our broadcast day. Well, yeah, of course I knew better.